Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'll be doing a Christmas video. Today I'll be playing the MM2 Christmas event. I know you guys are thinking, oh, that came out on the 14th. Why are you barely filming it now? It's because I got very busy with stuff, and I got busy with other reviews, and also my phone storage decided that it didn't want to function anymore. Decided to just be like, oh, I'm full now. So my storage was full for the past couple days, and I've been trying to upload my old pictures to Instagram, no, Pinterest, and I've been trying to upload them to Pinterest. So if you guys been on my Pinterest and seen like a whole bunch of very old pictures and videos in there, it is because I've been uploading them to them. Anyways, besides that, I'm gonna finally play it, and I know something always comes up every time I try to play this, but I'm gonna finally do it now. Anyways, before I get started, I want to announce something that I am officially now making bracelets. I'll put some pictures up on the screen so you guys want to see. I did put a price drop. I don't remember what it was, but you guys can just see it on the screen. That's what I've currently been doing. That's also another thing that why I haven't been doing this, because I've been making a lot of bracelets for you guys. And if you guys would like that, that would be linked down below. Anyways, let's just move on from that and just finally do this video, because I've been wanting to see the new stuff for like ever now. So let's just do it now. Okay, I think I'm recording. I just have to make sure because I don't want it to like mess up with the phone with the computer. So as you guys can see, it says welcome to the Christmas thing, and it says snow tokens and 30 tiers of it, and open a new mystery box. And then it says there's a new double ski village and stuff like that. Just spawn with a new game mode, snowball fight, and the leaderboard is open. And it was announced on the 14th at 1 p.m. And usually I'm always on that. I'm usually always with the event. I usually record it on the day it comes out and usually get it out the next day. But I got very busy with other stuff. But let's just move on from that because I don't want to talk about it even more. Oh, it's actually my shirt. It says Merry Swiftmas. I bought this like not that long ago, and I decided to put it on now because I feel like it's very good. We're just going to play it. So let's just join the event. See if I turn my volume up. Okay, I'm so excited. Let's see. Loading character. Oh, I also noticed. Ooh, I remember this map. Is it different? Oh, I didn't show this, but I did make my character like all different. It still has my old Halloween one because I have not played this since the Halloween event. This is like the new map thing. Well, this is what the maps used to look like. And because they brought them back, here's the lobby, like where you vote. Here's where you go up here. And there's presents, and I guess there's like a little bunch of tables here. Do you go through here? So it's like some kind of thing. I don't know if it is. It's just some kind of thing. We just jump off of this. Oh, there's new maps. Before I do that, I want to go over here. So right here is the mystery box. View it. You need 600 coins. What does that mean? Do you have to have a key? Okay, let's go in here, view. So let's see what the weapons are. Notify me, December 20th. Okay, so it says Santa's list. I guess we're gonna have to do that. I don't know when that's gonna be, but I'm just gonna somehow do that. Does it have like event is right here. Christmas event. Am I getting a picture making noise? So, okay, the map is already starting. Okay, so there's a battle pass. Oh, I got a plushie, better get it now. Stickers, a snow key, a snowball, another snow key, a candle, lights. Ooh, I love the way that lights it. Peppermint looks so cool. Confetti, sweater, gingerbread, polar bear, mint, spear, whatever this is, bell, ginger cookie. What's this? Oh, that's a lot of stuff. You're gonna be doing that for a while now. Okay, these are trading. Oh, this is like gifts. That's pretty cool. You give free gifts. These are leaderboards, and we all know these are exploiters because I used to do it. Anyways, we all know these are not real people. None of my friends have been doing it because I didn't tell them because I forgot again. So these are, how do these people get so much tokens? It's only been up for like a couple days now. I don't know how. Okay, on from that. So we're just gonna play this. So there's new coins. There's a new oh, someone's going. I wasn't even paying attention. There's something going on. There's a lot of new coins. It's because I've been standing there for like ever now. Oh, I'm like sliding. So you only need 600 coins, I guess? That's really easy. I think it used to be, be careful, be careful, be careful. I forgot. I haven't played this in like months. Like, I'm not kidding. Usually I play this every day, but because nothing has been going on, it's like, yeah. And plus I've been busy with stuff. Oh, victory. I don't know what happened. I've just been getting the coins. So, like, What is this? Oh, this must be like tokens. Oh, daily quest. So, do you need like, what's 15? 15 coins? Oh, collect. I don't know what this. So, is that like 15 coins, or is it do you have to like 15 1,500 or something like that? These must be like the buy. You can buy the stuff with like real Roblox money. Only 100 for that? I wouldn't do that. Oh, I'm not even paying. I have to look at the maps. Oh, hold up. How do you do this again? Pets. Oh, it's not pets. Is it under? Oh, it's under here. It's under here. So if I just go under here, there he is. There's little Santa. Have they always had that? I think that's new. I don't remember. So let's just wait for the game to start. Oh, there's somebody behind me. Better be careful. Go in here. Oh, I just heard somebody. Something's going on. Oh, that's not good. It's not like I come from like down there, so I don't really know. I keep hearing like people getting unlived. Oh, I thought that. Oh, there's one over there. Why? Was that an update where it sounds like it's near you, or is that just a thing? I don't want to go down there. Do I want to go down there? There's a lot of coins, but I don't want to risk it. Maybe I should risk it because I really want to get those cool peppermint. Okay, I'm not going down there. Nope, not doing that. Not doing that. Is there somebody else down here? There's behind me. Gotta get away. Get away. Get away. How did I dodge that? That was crazy. I'm like jumping. I need these coins. Don't go. Wow. How did I pass him? How did that happen? Maybe because I was jumping. Oh, did I talk about this Christmas tree? That's amazing. This is the new map. Oh, they even have the most tokens, most gifts given. I don't know what's wrong with me today. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. And then I guess these are the bundles, so that's like 3,000 Roblox monies. See, there's like a little snowman here. Some maps even have like the thing. There's another one here. It's pretty cool. So let's see what's going on. I'm scared to know what's going on. Oh, there's a candle. How did they get the candle? Oh, maybe because they've been playing longer than me I have. Than probably when I have. There's so much coins. I could have gotten all those. Oh, there's me right there. There I am right there. Get out on them coins before they get you. How much coins did I getting? I don't remember. Oh, 29. Oh, someone's trying to trade me. I don't think I want to do it. Maybe what do I want to do it? Oh my gosh, what's going on? Do I want to trade? What's like the... I trade this. I'm sorry. What do you want? Do you want this? I love all these though. But I'm really like that little green one right there. Do I already have lovely? I think I have lovely. No, I don't have lovely. Oh, accept? Oh, I think that's the first time I've ever got a trade because I usually turn my trade requests off because I really don't like trading stuff because I kind of like to collect my stuff. I got like a bunch of new stuff. I got lovely. I thought I had lovely. I don't think I don't remember ever having that. I guess this is like the rare run. This is the rare run. I think this is the ultra rare run. Let me do my haul. I only have 2 Christmas things. That's weird. I must have like done something with them. Oh, that's a lie. I did trade with like friends and all that. But like the first trade that I did with a real person, you know what I mean? Oh, I forgot. They did decorate this map. They did Christmas lights and they did snow and candy canes. They do that with all the other maps. I want the coins, so like back off. Oh wait, let me do my Santa thing. I bump into every wall. Do you guys hear my guinea pigs? I just gave him water. I'm surprised nothing's going on. You know what? I have not seen an exploder in here. That's very rare for a new event. Maybe because they did it all on the first day, and that's why they just yeah. Oh. Okay, someone got a victory. Only got 9 coins. You kidding me? They spawn very easily now. Like they used to take forever to spawn. Now they just easily like go like that. Okay. Victory. I'm almost close to, what is that, 53? What am I, 52? Oh, I am 52. Okay. I'm close to 53. That's crazy. Christmas in Italy. I want that one. This one, this one, this one. Please, this one. I want the Christmas in Italy. Yes, vote for this one. Please, I really want this one. Okay, I think we got it. I think we got it. I'm hoping we got it. This person is dropping candles all over the place. Did I get it? That took a little while. Oh, it had to be this one. I really want, maybe because everybody played it on the first day, and that's why no one's doing like the ones. They're like, okay, we've already done this ones. Now I want to see the other maps and see what they did. Anyways, they put presents here. I guess they changed this. Wasn't this like a car? Now it's like a sleigh thingy. Now it's presents. Now they put Christmas lights up in here. There's like, I have no idea what just happened. Oh, there's snow outside. There's like a tree. There's a candy cane. I don't remember that ever at the other events. What happened? Did the person just decide to leave the game because they were the killer? Oh, they got stickers. I like that one. Ice candle. Or castle, not candle. Ooh, which one? Which one do I want? Probably castle, because everyone's voting for the castle. Oh, there's a cabin. That's also a good one too. I didn't even see that one there. I just kind of skipped away from that one. That's also a really good map too. I'm glad they brought that back. Yeah. Oh, I forgot to mention there's a fireplace there. I'm the murderer. What? I'm like legit the worst murderer ever. Like I literally take forever, and it's just not good. So I'd rather be an innocent. Or a sheriff. Maybe not a sheriff at all. Oh my goodness. What do? I don't know what to do. I'm like, do I just wait for someone to be by themselves and just... I'm gonna stand here. I genuinely, like, do not know what to do. Maybe I should get out the coins first and then do my thing. There's a lady here. Hope no one saw that. I really hope no one saw that. They probably saw her, but they didn't see me. Get away from that. Oh yeah, this is the... Oh, this is the cabin. I didn't even... My brain's like 2 months behind. I thought everybody voted for the castle. Oh my gosh, look at all the... What are they called? Where they have like little patterns. What are these people shooting at? I'm all the way out here. Unless if it's right behind me, but I don't know why that'd be. Is there anybody in here? Oh, you can go in here. I forgot about this map. Well, I knew about this map, but I forgot how to get around it. Like, I forgot all the thingies. Should I get this person? Oh, there's a human over there. I'm gonna get you. I got you. Hope no one saw that. Uh oh, there's people outside. How many people was that? Like 2, 3? Okay. Okay, I can get this person, I think. No, that was a bad idea. That was a really bad idea. Now everybody knows it's me. I'm gonna get you. I got you. Everybody knows it's me now. No. No. I'm not losing. Watch I lose. Watch I end up losing. I want to get away from here as fast as possible. Can I throw the knife? I forgot I could throw the knife. I didn't even realize that. Oh, I ended up getting her. That's like the first time that's ever worked, because the throw knife never works. I'm gonna get you. I got her. Who's the last person? How many people was in here now? I don't remember. I only got 27 coins. I said I was gonna get the coins first and then do my thing, and then it ended up not working. I ended up getting everybody. Is this the last person? Nope. How many people is in here? Is there like a lot of people? I got 40 coins. Ooh, I forgot about this person. Oh my gosh, they ended up getting the thing. Ooh, there's a lot of coins here. I really want them. There's only 30 seconds left. Watch it, Blue. Come on, I'm gonna get this person. I'm gonna get this person. Watch, I'm so slow. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Is this the last person? I think this is the last one. Why am I throwing the knife? You're cornered. No, you're not. Okay, I almost had it. I almost had it. Ew, why do I look like that? I'm like... Oh my gosh, I almost had it that time. How many people did I end up getting? 6 people? That's like, wow, that's crazy. I ended up getting 6 people. How much coins do I have? Oh, 87. Okay, 87 I have. Okay, I want to do a ski one. Everybody wants to do the ice castle. Yes, do the ski village. I've never seen that map before. That must be the new one. Yes, please, please, please. This one. 3 people voted for it. 3 people voted for it. Is it it? Wait, is this the new one? Watch it be the castle. Yes, of course it's the castle one. Does no one want to play the new maps? Because usually every time the new maps comes out, it's like, wow. I'm pretty sure everybody was like, oh, let's play the new maps first, and then we'll do the older ones next. So I probably, like, yeah, that's right, everybody.